Today, we kickstart your AI agent creation journey. We'll even look at a cool tool, Manus AI. Ready to build some awesome AI? Let's go. So, what exactly is an AI agent? Think beyond simple chatbots. AI agents are much smarter. They are like digital employees. They see their environment. They use AI to think and decide. Then, they take action, all to achieve specific goals. AI agents work on their own. They react to changes. They can even learn and improve. They don't just follow scripts, they solve complex problems. That's why AI agent creation is so exciting. Why should you build AI agents? The benefits are huge. First, amazing automation. AI agents handle repetitive tasks. This frees up your time. You can focus on creative work. Next, more productivity. Agents work 24/7. No breaks. They boost your efficiency. AI agents help make better decisions. They analyze data fast. They find hidden patterns. Want personalized experiences? AI agents can deliver them. This makes customers happy. You can also save money. Less manual work means lower costs. AI agents are scalable. Need more power? Just scale them up. Creating AI agents sparks innovation. You can build new services. It's a total game changer. But building AI sounds hard, you might say. Not anymore, thanks to platforms like Manus AI. Manus AI is your gateway. It helps you create AI agents easily. It's a no-code or low-code platform. This means less complex coding, or sometimes no coding at all. Manus AI simplifies AI development. It has an easy-to-use interface. Think drag-and-drop building blocks. You can design agent workflows visually. Manus AI offers pre-built templates. These help you start fast. It connects to many tools, like your databases or CRMs. You can build a knowledge base. Your agent learns from documents you give it. Manus AI makes AI agent creation accessible. It's for business users. It's for tech fans. It's for anyone curious about AI. Ready to kickstart your AI agent creation journey? Let's walk through the steps. We'll use Manus AI as our example platform. First, what will your agent do? Be very clear about its job. Will it answer customer questions or schedule meetings for you? Maybe analyze sales data? Who is it for? Customers? Your team? List its main tasks. What does success look like? Example, an agent for your website. It handles order status questions. Goal, reduce support calls by 30%. This clarity is key. AI agents need information. What data will your agent use? Product details, order info, FAQs. How will it get this data? Through APIs, uploaded files? Make sure your data is good. Clean data means a smart agent. With Manus AI, you can upload documents or connect to data sources. This builds your agent's brain. Now head over to Manus AI. Sign up for an account. Many platforms offer free trials. Look around the dashboard. Find the agent builder. Check out the knowledge base section. See how integrations work. Most platforms have tutorials. Use them. This is where you plan its actions. How will your agent work? What starts an interaction? A customer message? What info does it need? What decisions will it make? If X, then do Y. If A, then do B. What actions will it take? Send an email? Find data? For chat agents, plan the conversation. Greetings, questions, goodbyes. On Manus AI, you use a visual builder. Drag and drop blocks. Connect them to create the flow. Time to build. Use Manus AI tools. You can start with a template or build from scratch. Configure each step in your flow. Set up API connections. Tell the agent how to use its knowledge. Write its responses. Or let Manus AI help generate them. Connect to other tools you use. Your agent comes to life here. Testing is super important. Try many different scenarios. Pretend you are the user. Talk to your agent. See how it does. Get feedback from others if you can. Use Manus AI's testing tools. Use them to find problems. Then go back and fix them. Update its logic. Improve its knowledge. AI agent creation is a cycle. Test, learn, improve. Your agent is ready. Time to deploy. Manus AI helps you launch it, put it on your website, or integrate it into an app. But it's not over yet. Monitor its performance. Manus AI has analytics. See how often it's used. Check its success rate. Use this info to make it even better. Your agent keeps learning. You do too. So, what can these AI agents do? Built with platforms like Manus AI, so much. Customer service agents, answer FAQs, track orders. Sales agents, find leads, send emails. HR agents, screen resumes, schedule interviews. Data agents, analyze data, create reports. Personal assistants, manage your calendar, organize tasks. The possibilities are endless. Your creativity is the limit. Creating powerful AI agents is now within reach. You don't need to be a coding genius. Platforms like Manus AI are changing the game. They provide the tools. You bring the ideas. We've walked through the steps. Define your goal. Prepare data. Use Manus AI to design and build, test, deploy, and improve. This AI agent creation journey is exciting. The future is intelligent, it's autonomous, and you can be a part of building it. Don't just watch the AI revolution, join it. Start thinking about what your first AI agent will do. Experiment, learn, grow. I hope this helped you kickstart your AI agent creation journey. What kind of AI agent would you build first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips and tutorials. Want to try building an agent? Check out Manus AI, link in the description. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.